Hi, my name's Mark. Welcome to Membership Websites. So Brilliant Directories today have released a universal search just up here. Now this is a demo website, so it doesn't have much on it, but just to give you an idea of how it works, you can search specific sections within the admin by selecting the appropriate section, or you can search everywhere. So if we do a search for all and we type in admin, we can click enter, and then we can see the admin user just here. And if we click on that, it will take us straight to the admin blog user, and then we can log in and do whatever we need to do. So if somebody's contacting you, maybe over the phone, maybe a user, you can click their name, pop it in here, and you'll instantly get results that come up in respect to their name, or if they've got their ID number or something like that. You can do a really quick search without having to go to all the way to search members and then find the relevant box. You could just use a universal search and it will search everywhere across the website. It will search not only the user account, but it will tell you what post types are associated with that user and anything else that might crop up in terms of things that are associated to that particular user for that search. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.